Hello and welcome to today's George's Travels. I'm George Francis. Today we're in Hongdae, Seoul, South Korea. And we're going to go to the Thanks Nature Cafe and check out some fluffy sheep. All right, well today we're at the Thanks Nature Cafe in Hongdae. You want to get me something to drink for about 5,000 won?
I'll let you know with this number.
Okay, I got my drink ordered. Now I'm going to go pet some fluffy sheep. You know, I could just turn you into a pillow. 감사합니다. Really good. Of course, you gotta kind of bribe them a little bit. That's what they're looking for. Just a little bit of something to eat here. So I sat down and talked with the owner of the Thanks Nature Cafe and asked him, why sheep? Why not cows? So he said, cows just like to stick out their tongues, and well, that's rude. So why don't you tell me your hopes and dreams of maybe becoming some soft toilet paper or some bounty paper towels or maybe even a soft fluffy pillow. Some lofty aspirations there. I've only been in this sheep cafe for like 5 minutes and I don't know what it is, but I always feel like I'm being watched. Well, that's it. That's all from the Thanks Nature Cafe right here in Hongdae, Seoul, South Korea. I'm George Francis. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next George's Travels. I'm George Francis. Thanks for watching, and this is the end.